Matapos masungkit ni John Real Cuadro Alas Casimero, angas ng Pinas, ang interim WBO bantamweight title sa Mexicanong si Ricardo Espinosa Franco via 12-round knockout noong April 20, 2019 ay isang panibagong world record ang naitala sa kasaysayan ng boxing. Nang tangalin ito, bilang ika-4 na Pinoy na nanalo ng 3 titulo sa 3 magkakaibang dibisyon. 4 na buwan lamang ang nakalipas ay tinapat kagad ito sa Noy WBC Pecom Box, Super Bantamweight Champion at rank number 10 WBO contender na si Cesar Ramirez. Isa ding Meksikano na nooy may record na 18 wins, 11 knockouts at may 3 talo. Bagamat may ilang talo itong si Ramirez, ay walang fighter ang dapat magkumpiyansa kapag nakaharap ang boksingerong ito, sapagkat may kabigatan din ang kamao nito. Sa katunayan, bago maganap ang kanilang laban, ay nakapagtala muna ito ng 6 na sunod-sunod na impresibong panalo, kung saan 5 sa 6 na mga tinalo nito ay tinapos niya sa pamamagitan ng knockout. Kaya naman mataas ang kumpiyansa nito na kayang-kaya niyang talunin ng Pinoy champion. Sa isang article nga noon sa Manila Times ay sinabi nitong si Ramirez ay si Casimero daw ay katulad lang na ibang boksingero na kayang patumbahin, na kayang patulugin sa laban. At nang matanong nga ito ng kaibigan nating si Sir Pao Salud ng Pao Casispo kung ano ang prediction niya sa resulta ng laban, ay ito ang naging sagot niya.
What's your prediction? Knockout. That don't need interpretation.
Nakadagdag din sa kumpiyansa nito ang pagpalya sa pagkuha ni Cuadro Alas ng kanyang timbang, sapagkat sumobra ito sa 118 pounds bantamweight limit. Mabuti na lang at nagawan pa man din ito ng paraan ng kampo ng Pinoy champion. Yun nga lang, makikitang sobrang drain ng katawan nito at talatang ng hina ng gusto. Ang kanilang laban ay naganap sa San Andres Sports Complex, Malate, Manila, kung saan ang magwawagi sa labang ito ay siyang makakalaban ng WBO bantamweight champion na si Sulanit Ete. Sa mismong laban, bagamat kita na medyo nang hina dahil sa puwersahang pagbabawas ng timbang ito si Casimero, ay determinado itong makagawa ng isang impresibong panalo sa harap ng mga kababayan natin Pinoy. Lalo na't sa labang ito ay personal na manonood ng laban ng ating pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao. Sa unang round ay nagpasiklab agad ang angas ng Pinas sa harap ng mga Pinoy boxing fans. Kaliwat ka ng mabibigat na suntok agad ang pinakawalan nito. Kaya naman dahil dito ay tila bagyang napatras si Ramirez matapos maramdaman ang lakas ng Pinoy.
An explosive start here for Casimero, who really likes his right hand as we've seen in previous fights, Kenito.
Well, Casimero is a very, very aggressive fighter. As you see, he's leading off with the left hand, but his right hand is always cocked. That's the big punch that he wants to unload. That right hand, it can be either a right straight or a right hook or a right cross.
You can see Ramirez, they're using his height advantage there with a jab early on. But Casimero wanting to let his power be known early, it seems like.
You also see the left hand of Casimero dangling sometimes down his sides.
To move up in weight. Now hoping to get a chance to be world champion again. He's 30 years old. Just trying to be more aggressive now, Benito, but still missing. Slip.
There's a slip. Slick spot there in the corner.
Sa round 3 ay naka-score ng knockdown si Cuadro Alas matapos kumonekta ang isang solidong counter left hook sa mukha ng dayong Meksikano.
He's measuring his opponent. He's moving in, but he's got to be careful. Ramirez looking to counter. He's looking to counter. He knows that Casimero is going to come in. But when he does, he's going to be prepared to throw that right. For Casimero, once he comes charging in, it can't just be one shot. It just can't be the right hand. That time a nice left hand.
That was a
Beautiful
knockdown.
left
That's a
hand.
knockdown.
Beautiful left hand.
Nice counter there. Perfectly timed. And Ramirez says, you know, sometimes when you get hit in a certain...
Ngunit imbis na manghina itong si Ramirez dahil sa tinumong pinsala sa pagkaka-knockdown ay tila mas lalo pa itong nag-iinit sa laban. Pinakita nito ang dugo ng pagiging Mexican fighter. Nakipagsabayan ito kay Cuadro Alas, kaya naman bahagya itong nakabawi sa mga sumunod na rounds.
Full variation from the Filipino, Casimero. Casimero focused and...
Fighters seem to be just whoever is able to throw more punches here towards the end can get this round. coasted in round number 4. Now in round number 5, there's a slip. There's a slip. Oh, they call a
They call it
knockdown.
a knockdown. And
They call a knockdown.
Ramirez is not happy with that call.
Oh, they call a
But he
knockdown.
makes it here.
That's a big one. That's a big punch.
Here, another right.
Oh,
But a
nice
nice,
shot.
wow, solid right from the Mexican.
And that got Casimero's attention.
Yeah. This is getting interesting, Canito. Yeah,
The
he's
same
going to want to
round.
get back.
There he is, throwing his left and right. Casimero's holding on. Casimero's sights. That's where he wants Ramirez. Needs some distance. A nice shot to the body by Casimero that time. See, when there's distance, Ramirez is able to use the reach to tag Casimero. So Casimero has to come closer
Throws it in.
to Ramirez, put his head on Ramirez's chest and wail away. Nice shot to the body there by Casimero from short distance.
Ramirez answers. Not much sting in his punch, though.
See a little bit of blood coming out of the nose of Ramirez.
Oh,
nice
and
shot.
that was a big right
Ramirez.
from Ramirez.
That time
Oh,
he had his
another
distance.
right. Oh, Ramirez now pouring it on.
Big round here for Ramirez.
Corner getting really excited. Another strong right from the Mexican. Pouring it on Canito right here.
Big round here for Ramirez. That time Casimero throwing the right hand.
Crowd loving the action.
This fight is not going to go to distance.
No,
Nice
both.
shot. Casimero.
Pagsapit ng round 7, ay dito na nakabawi ang tinuguriang Cuadro Alas. Matapos tila mapansin na unti-unti na naubusan ng gasolina itong si Ramirez, ay wala nang sandali pang inaksaya ang tinaguriang angas ng Pinas, Cuadro Alas, at agad binanatan ng dumayong Meksikano.
You're right, Canito. Blood from the nose of the Mexican. And Senator Manny Pacquiao, the man behind Mexican. He has to come up with something big.
Exactly. He's been down twice. He knows
Oh!
he's points.
Wow!
Here we go.
That was a solid right from Casimero. And Ramirez holds on. Whoa!
Both fighters are down. You also see that Ramirez is breathing from the mouth. He's having difficulty breathing because of the blood
Oh,
coming
another
out of his
solid
nose.
right from,
Here we
from
go.
Casimero.
And he's down.
Oh.
He's down. They're going to call a knockdown.
Wow.
A solid.
Casimero
Flurry.
went through the ropes there.
There's
Oh
blood.
man, this is all heart now for
Yeah.
the Mexican. Whoa! Another, oh boy! He
One
just-
more big punch. And he's really
Oh.
on shaky legs. Ramirez.
Oh boy!
Sa round 10, ay mas matindi pa ang parusa ni Cuadro Alas kay Ramirez. Sa pagkakataong ito ay bodega naman ng Meksikano ang pinuntirya nito. Sa lakas ng mga patama ay makikitang iniindan nitong maigi ang suntok ng
What
Pinoy.
about this body attack now?
Oh
By
boy!
John Riel Casimero.
He seems to want to finish the fight in this round. Can he do it?
Ramirez seems to be folding up here.
And he's fighting back.
When he's taking those shots
Oh,
to the midsection, he's of Cesar Ramirez. Again, a shot to the side of the body by John Riel Casimero
Yes.
on his body.
There's your... Oh. Yeah, he's
lost his sting.
just going through the motions.
Yeah.
Clearly
The sting is gone.
winded. Cesar Ramirez. But he's still letting his hands go. Oh! Wobbly legs.
He's ready to go.
Oh, Casimero just itching to launch here.
There's-
Looking for the opening.
Ramirez has little left. But for Casimero, one shot to the midsection. That's what he's looking for. A shot to the side of the body.
Finish him.
But make no mistake about it. Oh, down! It's down! It's down! And I think it's out! It's over!
That's it.
Oh, what a
We knew it was happening.
beautiful ending to this fight.
We knew it was going to happen. He had very little left. And flat on his back. Unbelievable ending. Jandriel Casimero.
What a fantastic show there from the Filipino.
Dahil sa impresibong panalo ni Cuadro Alas Casimiro ay natuwa ang ating pambansa kamao dahil sa magandang performance na pinakita nito. Tagumpay nitong nadepensa sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ang kanyang WBO interim title. Anong masasabi nyo sa laban ni Casimiro dito mga idol? Paki-comment naman po sa baba at ating babasahin po isa-isa yan. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, ay huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe, at pakikalimbang na rin po ang kampana para lagi kang updated sa susunod na mga video. Maraming salamat po and God bless.